Hi everyone, welcome to the channel and my name is Manish Tiwari. So today we are going to talk about something new and we will talk about some new good news as well you can say or new which is going to be on this channel. This is what we are going to talk about and what is the new? This is what I am going to talk in video and between the video like meanwhile this video is going on I will be leaving one particular tip you can say or particular thing which can be beneficial for you in terms of your career, in terms of your earning too. What is that point for you? For that you will have to watch out the complete video. Don't skip, don't try to make it on like skip and there's those things, correct? If you watch out this video you might get a chance to earn something, correct? So just watch out this complete video till the end. So today I'm going to talk about GCP cloud, Google cloud actually, correct? So till now on our channel we have created a lot of kind of playlist, the mock interview playlist where I have interviewed a lot of candidates, correct? Either from our country or from the different country as well. Like I have interviewed people from Ireland, from the India origin, correct? So you can talk about the people I have interviewed from USA as well, correct? And there are few videos which are not even on the YouTube, correct? So there are a lot of videos which we have uploaded in terms of AWS cloud, in terms of mock interview, in terms of other tutorial, in terms of interview tips, correct, the case cluster architecture, and a lot of things we have uploaded on this channel. And this has been really helpful for you. And why do I say that it has been really helpful for you? Because the kind of messages, the kind of love we receive from the comment section, from when you approach me directly, correct? So that kind of connectivity and the community what we have built, that shows that you have trust in me, correct? You show your trust. So in continuation to this journey, now we are trying to add GCP cloud, Google cloud on top of the AWS cloud. So AWS cloud we have covered and we have been providing training on this AWS cloud. Going forward we are going to provide the content on GCP too. So Google cloud we will launch very soon. What I want that if you are the one who is looking for the preparation, correct? So you have to prepare for both the things, correct? You have to prepare for the cloud, Kubernetes, Docker, Helm, your Linux, Git, Terraform, CI/CD part, each and everything you have to prepare. But when it comes to the DevOps engineer, you don't have to be only one cloud expert, correct? You know AWS, that's all. No, you have to know the AWS as well, and in parallel you have to know what are the equivalent services in Google cloud. And if you know the Google cloud, that is a kind of plus point for you. So you have to understand both the things, the Google cloud things, the AWS cloud things, then Azure, if you know, that is also kind of plus point for you. So you have to understand all these things. And the part of the benefit what I was talking about, that benefit I will let you know right now. So we are looking for the people who can contribute with us, who can work with us to create the content. And if you are the one who is expert in the GCP, although we don't have actually that much of time, so we are looking for someone who can help with us, or who actually want to contribute to this DevOps community, even not the help, who actually want to interact with all these people, who want to contribute to this DevOps community. Because we are running this channel as well, we have from your love we do have a lot of number of subscribers and we are growing. In parallel we are running our WhatsApp community as well. We have two WhatsApp group. One group is already full, second group is already going on. So we have a lot of people to whom we directly interact, and we share the information, we share whatever the information, whatever the suggestion, guidance you need, we used to pass on to you. So right now we are looking for someone who is like us and you are willing to contribute to this DevOps community. So we will talk to you and we will include you as our team member, correct? And then we can help each other, correct? We can help to the community, we can help to you, we can help like you can help us. That will go on, and we will be having a long going on career along with all together, correct? So this is what I just wanted to pass on as a kind of tip, or you can say the benefit what you are going to get out of this particular video. And coming to that particular section, when I was talking about the GCP cloud and the AWS cloud and the Azure cloud. When you know AWS, you know what is your S3 bucket. You should know what is your blob storage. You should know what is the object storage, correct? When you know what is the AWS EC2 instance, at the same time you should also know what is the compute engine in GCP, correct? So this way your things works. When you know CloudFormation, you should know the ARM as well, Azure Resource Manager. So things you have to know, you have to understand, and once you understand the concept, the same concept can be utilized in different cloud as well. So the first thing, the initial phase of learning should be, you know the one cloud and the depth of that particular concept. And once you have once you have understood, or you have done hands-on on these particular services, then you can move towards the other cloud, which can be helpful for you to explain during the interview, to understand the concept. Let's just suppose that you have been expert on the AWS cloud, and all of a sudden when you join the new organization, they might be migrating from AWS to GCP. So you will have to learn at a quick pace, correct? So if you know at least basics, at least service name on some kind of hands-on demo, that will benefit you at the end, so that you can be a multi-cloud expert, not a single cloud expert, correct? And in parallel, as you know that you have to go for the different skills like Kubernetes, Docker, Terraform, Helm, your Git, your Linux, CI/CD part, each and everything you have to learn, correct? Apart from that, what you can do right now, you have to prepare each and everything to clear the interview, correct? At the same time, don't forget to do any hands-on demo. Even you are going for our videos, our session, or you are you have joined any other tutorials, any other courses, or any other private training institute, something that has nothing to do with us. But what I recommend, that you go with the hands-on demo. The moment when you will perform hands-on demo, you will be kind of expert in that thing. So you have to go that way. You don't have to rely on that someone will come, someone will do hands-on, and you will watch and you will be able to do the things. No, the moment when you will start facing the challenges. So better to do hands-on demo. And if you are the one who is looking to learn from us, you are looking for training, you are looking for interview preparation bootcamp, you are looking for mock interview, resume review, guidance, any kind of thing, we are offering each and everything. You just need to grab the right thing from us. And we do not provide anything directly to you. We just talk to you, and once we understand that what is your actual requirements. Just suppose that you are already prepared, you have already gone through training, you have already prepared yourself, and you just need confidence. So for that we recommend mock interview. But if you are lacking with the questions and answer, you have already gone through the training and you are lacking with the questions and answer, then we offer interview preparation bootcamp. So based on the requirement, we offer the things to you. So let's meet in the next video, and if you have any specific topic on which you want me to create video, that you can drop in WhatsApp. Do inquiry and get your opportunity right now. Thank you.